What's good, YouTube? And today we got to shout out Nomad. They sent out something special, guys. Today we got the StandOne Max 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. And as you can see, it's a charger for your Apple ecosystems. You can charge your phone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods at the same time, so they're ready to go in the morning. And also, you can see this thing is definitely Apple certified for MagSafe. One thing I can say is Nomad doesn't play about their packaging, guys. Nice quality packaging from Nomad always. Just a very quality companies when it comes to the Apple accessories. The colorway for this accessory is going to be carbide. That's like the darker black colorway. Take a look at the back and let's just look at the technical aspect. 15-watt MagSafe charger for iPhone. Apple Watch fast charge, so you're getting a fast charge for your Apple Watch. And Qi charging for AirPods. So definitely a go. As far as the design, we're getting multi-device charging hub, weighted metal and glass design. And there's definitely heft to this box. And all Nomad stuff is like that. Very quality, has heft to it, weighted glass. Because when you pick up your iPhone, you don't want the whole charging stand to come with it. Some of these companies try to make these type of stands. They're very light and cheap. And it's just not a good quality feel. So definitely shout out to them for making everything weighted and using some of the nicer materials. Horizontal and vertical iPhone charging. You're getting a 2-meter braided USB-C cable. And you got to provide your own 30-watt USB adapter. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. And I like this unboxing, guys. We just presented with the stand right off the break. And as you can see, it looks gorgeous because it's a mix of glass and weighted metal. So the finish on it just looks outstanding. Like me personally, this is going right on the nightstand, guys. This is how I want my Apple ecosystem to be charging. This looks really nice. This goes with interior design really well. So also in the box, you just got the USB-C power cable. We're going to get that out. Take a look at that. And here's the cable. Nice and long enough so you can get it set up with whatever type of setup that you're going with. If you're going to put it on your nightstand, if you're going to put it on your desk setup, but just enough length so you can get it hooked up how you need it hooked up. Nice, sturdy cable right here. You can even see the Nomad branding on the cables, guys. Very nice quality stuff. So let's just take a look at the stand, guys. Nice and weighted, has a very nice heft to it. And as you can see, you can put your phone on this vertically or horizontally. You got your space for your Apple Watch. And you have a space right here where you're going to charge your AirPods. Take a look at the bottom. Nice rubber mat so it's not sliding around. You can pick your iPhone up straight off the MagSafe charger without pulling this whole thing. As you can see, that's the QR code. So you go to nomadgoods.com. Just go ahead and click on that or take a picture of that. It'll get you straight there, nomadgoods.com. But they got all the goods for your Apple ecosystem. Nice padding on the bottom so you won't mess up any surface that you put this MagSafe charger on. Now, this is a Type-C. As you can see on the back, all we have is the Type-C port. Nice chrome bar going from the MagSafe charger from your phone to the Apple Watch. Just a very nice aesthetic going on here, guys. And this carbide colorway is going to go with a dark aesthetic really well. They also have this in a white colorway. Okay, guys, so I got the 30-watt charging brick plugged up. Let's just try the thing out. Let's try out the functionality. So at the long day, got my AirPods on deck. They're charging. My day is over. I'm ready to throw my Apple Watch on the charger. It's charging. And then last but not least, the big dog of the ecosystem, the iPhone. And we got it charging, guys. Shout out to Nomad. Really dope quality weighted material. I love that. So I can pick everything up. No problems. Go ahead and take it right off the stand. But shout out to Nomad, guys. This is the StandOne Max. Definitely one of the best 3-in-1 MagSafe chargers out. Very quality. I'm really feeling it. I'll put a link to Nomad Goods down in the description. Your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.